Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. If this is your first time here, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would like for you to join my family. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my homemade burger. I'm so excited because I love mine with sweet potatoes fries. If you are a sweet potato fries lover, comment below. We're starting with our bun, the meat. This is 90% lean and 10% fat. Actually, ideally you should get 80% lean and 20% fat, but I couldn't find it, so I am going with this. But you do need some fat in it, so because of that I might add a little bit of oil. I just cut my tomato and onion here. Cheese, of course. I'm using here all American cheese, a type of lettuce. Because I don't like the regular type of lettuce, it's just watery for me. I'm gonna be using some spring mix, baby lettuce and baby greens. It's kind of like spinach and all that kind of stuff. I love this on my burger better. And then for seasonings, you are going to need this: hot pepper. If you eat hot pepper, I have pepper flakes here. Paprika. You can't make red meat without paprika. Like, why are you doing that? Just get some paprika. I'm gonna use some butter, just a little bit of butter, dill, salt, cilantro, basil, black pepper, white pepper, and oregano. I have some fresh parsley right there. If you don't want to go ahead and just do all this mixture, you can just grab something similar to one of these that has a lot of the spices already all mixed together, and you can just spice with that. Let's go ahead, let me show you how I achieve my wonderful, fantastic burger. I did mention at the beginning that I was going to be eating mine with sweet potatoes fries, so I'm going to go ahead and just drop this into my air fryer while I'm doing everything. It's going to be cooking. I'm using my cast iron pan again, so I am going to go ahead and turn this on low and let it heat up. Make sure your hands are clean. This is the only time I cook my meat without washing, because obviously it's already shredded. How are you going to wash this? If you wash it, you're just going to lose all the flavor. So I'm actually going to be using half of these. I'm going to start with my dill, half a tablespoon. Cilantro, I love cilantro, so I'm going to put I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cilantro, half a teaspoon of oregano, white pepper. This is going to make it spicy too, so I'm just going to put about half a teaspoon of that. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Basil, half a teaspoon. Hot pepper flakes to taste. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Don't forget your parsley. I'm gonna drop some parsley leaves. Just gonna cut a few of these and rinse it and just add to mine. And just mix all of this together. Remember, I have not put my salt yet. So while our pot is getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bun ready. These are beautiful. I'm gonna gently place those buns into the pan and just let it toast. You want your bun to look this beautiful. So while the buns are getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and form my burger. Remember, we did not salt it. This is the time to salt your burger. Remember that the meat is going to shrink a little bit, so you want it to be as flat as you can, possibly. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my thumb on the middle and just create a little hole there. This is going to make sure that the meat doesn't just pop up here and then it distributes the cooking temperature all over. I'm going to put just a little bit of butter in my pot. Remember how at the beginning I said that I had only 10% fat on this meat, so I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to help with that. Place your burger patty in there, and you're gonna do the same for the rest of burgers. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my oven at 170 degrees and get it preheated because we're gonna transfer this into the oven for about 5 minutes. To 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip our burger. We're gonna turn off the fire and transfer this into our oven. We are going to add our cheese before putting that into the oven to let it toast. I like my burger with mayo, so I'm gonna link in the description box how I make this mayo. You can also add ketchup if you want to, but I like mine with mayo. Well guys, this is the burger. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you try it at home. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.